In this video, I'll show you how you can show people on Discord what game you're currently playing. Now first what you want to do is come here to user settings, scroll down and find activity privacy. Now from in here what you want to do is you want to make sure this one is enabled. This is to share your detected activities with others. If this is disabled, people cannot see what kind of game you're playing, so make sure this one is enabled. After that you want to head over to registered games, and from in here you should be able to see your registered games, and you can allow them here by clicking on this one. Now obviously I don't have any of these games open right now, but if I had League of Legends opened, I could hide it by clicking on this one, or I could just click again to make sure people can see it. Now if you don't see your game in here, you can click edit right here, and there will be a drop down list from all the apps that you have currently opened. So like I said, if you don't see your game, simply press edit and select it from in here when the game is opened. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.